welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We have seen the kola nut you presented to us, and we have broken it. So this is yours.
Okay, thank you. I told my daughter that you people came the other day, and you said you will come again today. But this moment, she went to fetch water, and I'm sure she will join us shortly.
Okay, yes, thank you. Bible says that whatever a dog sees and runs to catch, that thing must be very important to the dog.
Yeah.
So we are waiting.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, here she comes. No.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Well,
Such a beautiful gift.
no.
She's pretty.
You're welcome.
Yep. These are the people that I told you that came to look for you the other time. They are back again today.
The people you said came to ask for my hand in marriage.
Exactly.
Welcome, sir. Please, which of you is here to marry me?
I came earlier. Actually, my name is Emmanuel Udeokwe, and this is my father, Udeokwe. I live in Europe. I want you to be my father's wife because my mother is no more, and I'm not always around. He needs someone who can help him do the cooking once in a while, warm his bed. He's a good guy and a retired principal.
We have everything you need.
Yes.
And we will help you train your daughter for you. But the truth of the matter is, you are a second-hand value. And we just want to help your life and that of your unwanted daughter.
You want to help my life, or you have come to mock me? You just called me a second-hand value. And you say you're here to help me. And you, local hustler, you brought your outdated, cancerous, growing father to come and ask for my hand in marriage. You know what? I am just going to go into my father's house. I will do you a favor, giving you some minutes to get out of this place, because if I go inside and come back here, if I meet any of you here,
you people should go.
It's not a bad that we came to take.
You think I am joking? Come here! Let me here! Mama! Sit down here! Your mother Mama, you sit down here! You sat down here and allowed this old man to ask for my hand in marriage. This man old enough to be my father. You have to sit down here and listen to everything he had to say. Mama, I'm not the first girl who had a child at home. And this old fool goes to call me a second-hand value. And you just sat down here and you did nothing about it. This man old enough to be my father. To come and ask for my hand in marriage. Just there! Good! The guys to come here! I love you! Are you mad?
Descendant of the devil. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Come here! Get down! The stream you were coming from is the same stream I left hours ago. And when I was leaving, I told you to follow me immediately. You stayed back there to play with your friends, right? You, this little witch that disgusts me so much. It's because of you. It's because of you. That old miserable man had the guts to come here and spit rubbish. I swear to God, I will kill you in this house. I will continue to beat you until the day you die. Who are you calling your mother? Just let me out. Ijoma, why do you want to kill this little girl? For crying out loud, she is your blood. Why do you always beat and punish her, Ijoma? Why? Who called you? I am asking you, who called you? Who invited you from that your miserable house to this place? Did I call you to ask me why I'm beating my daughter? What is your business? Eh? I'm asking you, what is your business? Old witch! You see this little girl? I will kill her. I will make sure I kill her and there is nothing you will do. So if you know what is good for you, dust this your two left legs and take it back to your house. Because if you don't, 2 seconds is all I give to you. If not, we will see ourselves on the ground. And when I say we are on the ground, I swear to God, I will beat you blue black. I will kill you! Inapuala! Ijoma, are you talking to me like this? Because I'm stopping you from beating your own child, Ijoma! Okay, come and touch her. Oh, come and touch her! Hey! Come and touch her! Hey! You want to see what I do? Come and touch her, Ijoma! You want to see what I do? Hey, run! Run! Run!
What kind of stupid girl is that?
She must be a beast. Is that how Emmanuel wants me to die before my time, to send me to my early grave? You are the one that said you wanted a young wife. And we started looking for one and we found her. Mba! This one will send me to my grave. Should we find another one or you rest? How will I rest when my body is still active? Or do you want me to experience prostrate before my time? A man's manhood should be working until his death. When your son comes back, we move, since you are a Jackie.
Amarachi, what are you doing here?
I slept outside.
You slept where?
Outside.
No! It can't be! What did you do?
I did not do anything. She started calling me bad luck and calling me a witch. Mama, is it true I'm a witch?
No! You are not any bad luck, you are not any witch. Not at all. If I had known, I would have taken you to the vigil. Come here. Ijoma! Ijoma! Stand here. Nothing is happening. Ijoma bitaragi mmiri. You are on 9 months out in the cold. Get me hiding your conscience. Where did you hide your conscience? Let me tell you, you are a living corpse. Because your conscience is dead. Nonsense! Let me tell you, if anything happens to this girl, you will have me to contend with. It will be better that you were not born Did I get what I can achieve for ya? Dear. Nonsense. Nonsense. That's the thing I come up. That's the thing I come up. What you found, man?
Papa, there's another woman someone told me at Iseki. I'll be going there tomorrow to see how she is.
Wait. Did you call her a woman?
Yes, Papa. They say she should be around 40 years.
Wait. And you want to go and see her?
Of course.
What for? Did I tell you that I want a woman of that age bracket? What I want is a young and vibrant girl that will take care of me at this my old age. My own case should not be an exception. What of Abraham of old? He gave birth to Isaac at his old age. I want to have a brother for you, my son.
Papa, no matter what, it will be very difficult to see a girl that will agree to marry you at this age.
My son, you don't have to tell me that. You have all what it takes to get a young girl for me to marry.
That is not even the problem. The point here is, I don't want all these boys to take your wife away from you when I must have gone back to Europe.
Is it these young men, the Indomie boys, pure water boys, that have lots of sugar in their system? Are they as strong and energetic as I am? You should get me a wife and go back to Europe, my son. I can do it 24 hours a day. Yes. 24 hours a day I can still do it. All night long.
This my own sister amazes me. Yes. It's alright. I guess we should look further.
You better do, because you have all it takes to get them.
Are you mad? Eh? Did you not see me? You little witch that will not just sleep and die in your sleep. You are a frustration to my life. You are bad luck. Why don't you just sleep and not wake up? Listen, if I hear you open your mouth and wake up mother that is sleeping, I swear I will kill you. Stand up from there and continue sweeping. Now, merely be doing your body as if I'm suffering you. Now, let me use this thing on you.
See what you detest. It's another person's prayer point. What you reject, another person will accept it. So don't you let them anybody.
Eh? You can't use something that what is it? Eh? Are you mad? Eh? So you this thing has hit you, bastard! Just give me to ruin my life. Idiot! Want to spoil my day.
Put it together and then you realize that what you lost is really a treasure. When you get rid of a treasure, someone
Amarachi! What's that? You little witch. You this little tiny witch. What happened to my plate? I am asking you! Come here when I'm talking to you. What happened to my plate?
Mommy, I broke it.
Who is your mother?
It was a mistake.
Where did you come? I'm talking to you. Stand up! Stand up! Who is your mother? Stand here! Stand here. Who is your mother? You broke my plate and you could not tell me. You will stay here and act like I'm the one suffering you, and people will think I'm the one maltreating you, not knowing that you are the one giving me headache. But before you kill me, I will kill. Mommy! Come on! Just Just kneel down here. Kneel down here. If you move an inch, if you move an inch, I swear I will kill you. Do you want me to hit you? I said stop it! Just stop it! Stop it! What is wrong with you? Do you want to kill this girl? It is not everything a child does that requires beating. Please let her be.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Did I hear you call me mother? Ichoma, did you just hear her? She said she's sorry. For crying out loud, she's your own flesh and blood. She did not commit any crime by choosing you to be a mother. No matter the way she came. Ichoma, I am begging you. Please stop beating her. Hey. Chief Judge of our Federation. Auntie Wegwegwe. Ibochago. Are you done? Every day you will leave your house. I don't know if you smell fight. You will be in your house. You will smell fight and come here to come and settle case on your okay? Who called you into this matter? And who now gave you the right to teach me how to train my own daughter? My own child, because I am begging you, carry yourself and leave this place. I don't want us to have issues. Just carry yourself and leave this place. As for you, I will kill you. Ijoma, just stop it. As far as I'm concerned, Amarachi is also my daughter. And there's nothing you do about it. Don't touch her again. As for this cane, I'm going with it. Yes! Go on. Yeah, come, I'm not done talking. You want to go with cane? If you want to go with the cane, Gawa, it's not a problem. They sell cane in the market, I'll buy a dozen. As for you, if you don't finish this plate, if I come outside and meet you, still clinging onto this little witch, I will kill you. Ijoma!
Give me come give me come
Mother, I finished washing the plate. Where's my food?
Mother, I finished watching the film. Where is my food? May thunder from Kaduna that has no reverse fire that your mouth there. You want fight? I should come and take fight for you. As your maid. Eh? Now listen to me. There is no food for you in this house. So if you know what is good for you, go into the house, take a cup of water, drink it and go to bed. Idiot.
Mommy, but I've not eaten since last night. And my tummy is paining.
Okay, Mama. It is better your tummy aches you. Let it ache you to death. Let your tummy ache you and you die. You will not just die and let me have my peace. And let me be. Idiot. You are looking for food. You want food. Eat! Eat food! You want to eat food that will kill you. Idiot. Stupid. Listen, if I close my eyes and open it and I see you standing there, I will kill you. Get out!
Mommy, please.
Osi, please. Are you mad? Napola! Idiot! Just bringing frustration to my life. You will not just die and leave me alone! Witch!
A child is a blessing.
Ima, I do not blame you. Tell me, what is the need of a wife, if not to look after him and cook for him? Your father is an old man, and no reasonable young woman will agree to marry him. Get that?
The problem is that he don't need an old woman because he still needs a child.
I won't support that. I will not. Okay. Since your father needs a child, get married and give him a child. Or are you not old enough to have a wife and a son? Eh?
I have a white woman who has a daughter for me. But but I don't have papers yet. So I can't bring her home without getting my papers. Being an only child has been the issue for me. I really need a wife for my old mom.
Okay. I will call someone and ask of a particular girl who had 2 kids at home. That one should be interested. Or what do you think?
Good. Okay, see what will happen, eh? Do check. Then come back to me. Let me see what I can do. I've really stayed and I want to go back. Okay?
No problem. But it's not for free.
God, that won't be a problem, okay? Trust me.
Okay, no problem.
I really have to do and go back.
Thank God I met you here. I want to tell you something.
What is it?
Mama, honestly, I don't like your daughter's behavior towards that little girl. She wants to kill her. And you're not saying or doing anything about it.
Says who? Udoka. Onye si no di ihe na-eme maka ya. Udoka. I am a helpless woman. So helpless. Do you know how many times Ijoma pushed me down to the ground just because I wanted to defend Amarachi? Do you know? If my son was alive, he would have taken Amarachi out of that house. Because that is what I want. For someone to take Amarachi out of my house to help me save the life of that child. The only prayer I am saying for Ijoma, my daughter, is this: that God will touch her heart to understand that that child is a blessing to her, not a curse. Every child is a blessing. No matter how that child came, that is the truth. The whole matter about Ijoma got worse when Emmanuel Udekwe came to marry her for his aged father. I have invited our pastor and few elders of the church to come and talk to her. They came over. But do you know what? She nearly broke their heads. Udoka, please, if there's anything you can help me to do in this matter, if there's any way you can fight Ijoma, give it back to her. Please help me. I need help.
Mama, it is true that sometimes I hear you shouting at Ijoma to leave the little girl alone. But please warn her. Because the next time she will touch that girl or uses anything like stick on her, she will have me to contend with. Biko. Warn her, Mama. Just warn her.
Biko, Biko Doka, help me. Now I went to see Mama Chikode. Her daughter is sick. Maybe by the time I will get to the house, she has killed her. I'm always afraid to move out of my house or to go anywhere without that girl. That's the problem. I'm always in fear.
Mama, it's okay. That reminds me. Did you say that Udekwe shamelessly asked for Ijoma's hand in marriage?
Look, this is a story for another day or another time. After you come to my house, I will tell you about this. Can never go Okay, Mama, take care. Mama. Mama, what is it? Huh?
She did not give me food yesterday and this morning.
You will not die. Say amen.
Amen.
Amarachi, I said you will never die. Say amen.
Amen.
Don't worry. I bought akara for you. Oh, you will eat akara now and still eat your food. You know go. This belly will full. You know go. What's going on? Follow your grandmother. Eat your man up.
I don't understand what is going on with this our family. I don't know why all these old men will not put their long one in tea and rest. Imagine Mazudekwe. He is looking for a young girl to define, or in the name of he's looking for a young girl to marry. Here you are, my dear friend, looking for husband.
Clara, who does not know that Mazudekwe is a good man? Has he not tried? He lost his wife about 20 years ago and he single-handedly nurtured his son simply because he does not want a problem. And his mates got married to a movie star. Guess what? Heaven did not fall. And his son has made money. He has built a house for him. He's a retired school teacher, still earning his pension. So?
Hey, so my dear friend, Oluchi, if I ask you now, you will marry a man of his age and you see nothing wrong with it.
Don't be deceived, my friend. Age is just a number. If he had approached me, I would have searched my conscience. If we agree, we move.
Yeah? You say what? Move from where to where? You and who?
Me and my conscience. It is his life. I heard Ijoma insulted the man and his son. All because he came for her. Why did she not quietly say no than causing nuisance? She has a daughter, yes. And the man must have gone to help her and her daughter too. Why was she not acting up?
You say what? Did I hear you say help? Let me ask you, what type of help will an old man like Mazudekwe render to a young beautiful girl like Ijoma and her daughter? No problem, since he's looking for people to help, he owns a charity organization. Let him go to church and marry those inspired women who still claim to be youth in the church while they have overgone menopause. Oluchi, you know what I'm saying?
No, Bia, I beg you in the name of God, don't ever refer to my church again, because you are not a Catholic. Everybody have a belief. A girl that has given birth is a sure game than the one that has not. As such, the old man needs a sure game. If you know, you know. Please, I want to go and cut grass for my mother. I beg to be excused.
No problem. I don't blame myself. I blame myself for wasting my time. I know about marriage.
Yeah, please.
Oh, marriage. We got cut grass. Give me the bread.
Yeah, Amarachi. Come here, move here. Come and stand here. Unyala, what is this? I am asking you, what is this? I asked you to go and buy me cheese bread. You went out there to buy what? Ola. Onya is it?
Mommy, but you said I should buy this one.
Hey! So now I'm a liar. You look at me in the face and call me a liar. Eh, what? Eh?
No.
So what? Just wait for me. I'm coming. Hey! What is it again? What is it again? You have sworn to kill this girl before her time. Okay, my God will allow it.
I will kill this frustration that came into my life. This little devil! And I asked you to go and buy me simple bread. You went out there to get me something else. Eh? You're hiding behind Mama. Oh, you will die today. I will kill you!
You're not ashamed of yourself. You sent her to go and buy bread. Can't you go and buy it yourself?
Mama, Biko, please. I am begging you. Just stay on your lane. Don't interfere in this issue. I didn't call you. She is my child. I will train her the way I want to train her. If I want to flog her to death, I will flog her to death. As for you, Mama, kill you today.
What is it?
And if I may ask, how is that any business of yours? Huh? How is it any business of yours?
Do you realize you're speaking to the Prince of Umucheke?
Chief Judge of the Federation, Layikbama. And who says I don't know it's you? Of course I know who you are. But you do not have any right to interfere how people treat others. You don't. Can I have my child?
I know your kind. You say this is not my business?
Of course it is not your business.
I know how to treat your kind. You're a heartless woman. Who is this little girl? Who is she to you?
She's my mother.
You're a mother? What did you do to her?
Nothing, sir. She said I should buy bread and I did, but she said this is not what she said. I should buy.
You're asking me, you are answering.
Was that enough? Was that enough reason to brutalize her like that? Was that enough? I see that you do not know this girl's value and I'm going to take her to the palace where you would not be able to touch her again. Put her in the
Wait, just allow me. Oga! Allow me take my child. Come! Come on, give me.
It's a lesson. Accept your fate and try to live on. Value everything.
You people should give me my data. What is the meaning of this?
Try to value everything you've got. Cause when
they ask you to follow them and you follow them.
Someone
so what?
the
You will come back to the house and meet me.
Put it together and then you will realize that what's lost is really a treasure. When you get rid of a treasure, someone who knows the value will be careful. Put it together and you will know what's lost is really a treasure. Come and take my advice. Value everything you've got. I urge you to value everything you've got. Oh, value everything you've got. Don't come looking for it when someone else put it together. See what you detest, it's another person's prayer point. What you reject, another person will accept it. So don't you look down on anybody. Don't you take anybody for granted. Everyone's a blessing.
You see what you've caused? Eh? I've warned you severally to stop beating the child you gave birth to. You keep beating her as if you're beating a child you picked at the dustbin. What is your problem? What is wrong with you? As if that is not enough. You took her to the road and started showing your black heart. Now the prince saw you and took her away from you. Of course, I keep asking you, what has this innocent child done to you that made you hate her so much? What is it? Is it her fault that she chose you to be her mother? Just as you chose me to be your own mother. Did I kill you? No, tell me. No matter the way a child comes to the world, a child is a child. Mama, Biko.
Just leave me alone and stop disturbing my peace. What is the prince's business? Did I hit him? Did I go close to his car? Did I call him into the matter? Why will he take my child away from me? Because he's the prince of this land? Is that how he goes about interfering in people's issues? Mama Biko, I am begging you. Leave me alone.
No, I thought Wobi. Why did you allow the prince to go with your child? Eh? You didn't challenge him, just as you're challenging others. Why Ike? If you think you are strong enough, go to the palace and collect your child. Or go there and beat her. Let's see if the guards will not use your body to do pepper soup.
Mama, let them try me. I'll wait for that prince. I will deal with him. I will deal with him. Let me not just say anything. Stupid idiot. Don't know who called him into the business. Just brutal and left his sense. Now coming to the cafe, Chief George.
This is sad. A little child like this. Her mother must be a very wicked woman. Eh? To treat her own child this way. Chai.
She'll never see her again. I'll make sure of it. She'll never see her again. That woman is filled with so much hate and aggression. What I witnessed today? I mean, look at her. See scars on her body. I'm going to ask myself, if this is how she's been living,
Are you hungry?
Before I get to that, I want you to set up a little beautiful room for her, where she'll be comfortable. Let her have a bath, change her up immediately. And then tomorrow morning, I'd like, with your help, for her to be taking out, do some shopping, make her hair, and then possibly run some tests. I can see scars on her body. I'm quite uncomfortable with it. Run some tests and then see what else we can do for her. But I really, really want her to be comfortable here. Yeah. Okay? I'll be sure that she's okay.
Okay. Please get her something to eat and get ready to go to the market to get clothes, okay?
I want you to feel at home here. This is your new home. Nobody would hit you. Nobody would scream at you. That's my sister. She's your new auntie. She would love you like I love you. Nothing would make you cry here. I will protect you. Okay. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. It's fine. It's fine, don't cry. Don't cry. It's fine. Go with that auntie. Okay?
At least now Amarachi can rest. And Ijoma too can rest from beating the poor girl.
When a child refuses to listen to the advice of a mother, he or she loses.
Of course.
I have not seen such a hatred. Do you know how many times Ijoma and I have quarreled over Amarachi?
Are you telling me?
God has answered my prayers. It is better for Amarachi to become a slave in the palace than to remain here. This is hellfire altogether for her.
But Mama, where is Ijoma now?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Young girl, who is your father?
I don't know my father. Ever since I grew up, I've been with my mother and my grandmother. Ever since I was born, my mother has been treating me badly and calling me bad luck.
Ever since she was born, father.
This is serious.
Have you asked your mother who your father is and why she calls you bad luck?
The day I asked her was the very day she gave me mark on my stomach.
I have said this. I have said this times without number that most of these girls are not fit to be called mothers. There is a need to evaluate their mental fitness before they go into marriage. How could a mother treat this little girl in such a cruel way? I mean, something must be wrong somewhere.
Maybe a broken marriage or unwanted pregnancy.
No, not enough reason. Not enough reason to treat your own child like this.
Well, whatever it is, this girl should be here. She should remain with us until the mother comes to pick her up. Then we'll consider giving her back to the mother.
No, please. I want to stay with Auntie Daisy. I don't want to go back. Please.
Father, please. Let her stay here with us, Father. She has protection here. Right? Let her stay here for as long as, it takes for the mother to come back to her senses. We'll have to find out what the problem really is. Father, please.
Please, Father.
Have you eaten?
Yes, Father.
Do you still want to eat something?
Oh, God. Maybe no one has ever asked her such questions. Just don't know anything. Anything at all. Okay, yeah, sit.
Oh, well, see this place as your new home. You are part of this family now. I am the king, and take me as your father. See as your sister, then he as your brother. Feel free.
Thank you.
So don't you look down on anybody. Don't you take anybody for granted. Everyone's a blessing. Everything is a lesson. Accept your fate and try to live on. Oh, value everything you've got. Try to value everything you've got. Cause when you throw a treasure away, someone who knows the value is gonna take it. Put it together and then you will realize that what you lost is really a treasure. When you get rid of a treasure, someone who knows the value will pick it. Put it together and you will know what you lost is really a treasure. Come and take my advice. Value everything you've got. I urge you to value everything you've got. Oh, value everything you've got. Don't come looking for it when someone else put it together.
Amara is sick. She can't even stand up.
What's the problem?
She complained of stomach ache.
Stomach? What did she eat this? What did she have? What did she eat after dinner last night?
Nothing. She started complaining immediately she woke up. I think she needs to be dewormed because we don't know if she has ever taken worm medicine before.
Dr. Adeze. You know what? I think we should take her to the hospital.
No, I think we should go to the pharmacy first, get her a worm medicine, then if the pain persists, we'll take her to the hospital. What about that?
You sound like one nurse. It's fine. I have money at the top drawer. Okay, so do what's best for her.
Oh, don't worry.
You.
I can handle that.
I can count on you.
Banging at my gate. Who are you?
Why are you knocking at the palace gate like this? Why are you knocking at the palace gate like this? And who is that lunatic?
Your Majesty, she's...
Bring whoever is there in.
You? So you are the idiot banging on my gate? You want to pull the gate down? I'm asking you, woman.
Tell your son to release my daughter to me who he took away. I am not here to answer questions.
How dare you talk to my father like that? Have you lost it?
So you had the guts to walk into my palace to demand for a child that you maltreated and nearly killed. A child who changed her name to Bad Luck. Oh, thank your stars. I'm in good mood. Yes. I would have killed you. I would have squeezed you until you die. and I will feed your miserable body to the lions. And now let me warn you, for the last time, anytime you dare me, enter here to talk nonsense, you have your miserable self to blame. Idiot. Gods, take this thing away from here.
Just get her away. She's so rude and uncultured.
What I will not tolerate is someone gossiping my name around. She was so rude that Adeze almost slapped her. Listen, go to their house and talk sense into her, because I wouldn't want such an attitude around my palace anymore.
She should be glad her daughter is in safe hands. Or does she want to inflict more bruises on her body? If mother was here, definitely she shouldn't have left this palace the same way she came. She was so rude.
Where is Amara?
She's in her room.
Get her for me, please.
What for? Do you want to take her back to that woman?
Please stop asking questions and just get her. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're sure?
Yes.
You know that your mother was here today?
Yes, Cynthia Dizzy told me.
I want to take you so that you can go and see her.
But I will not come back.
Yes, you will. I want you to go and see her, and also you get a chance to see Grandma.
Okay.
Well, it's needless going there without seeing anyone. Why not go tomorrow? Besides, it's already late.
I agree, Dad. Tomorrow.
My prince! No, welcome. Amarachi!
Yes,
Hey! Ne! Nakwe iru bagoro abaga kurugo pim. Hey! Nemo. Look at how fresh you look. Eh? Mama? Hey! Chukudalu! Nakwe na Amarachi nwam. Hey! My prince. Thank you so much. May our God continue to bless you. May the Lord reward you abundantly. Bless you and the entire royal household. Hi! You're so an innocent little child, being maltreated by her own mother, and you decided to rescue her. Hi, female. Man, the God that knows what you did will reward you abundantly. Darling Nam, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, please forgive my manners. Come and have seat, oh. Have seat, oh. Hey, come and sit. Hey. Mom, since then, she has been maltreating her, calling her all sorts of names. Amarachi ibu wanketa. Amarachi ibu nwewu. Amarachi di sika nwokoko. Amarachi di ka nwewe. Just look at this girl. Did she resemble any of these things in any way? Just look at her beautiful face. Yeah? I mean, this thing has been going on since this child was born. I keep fighting, hoping that one day Ijoma, my daughter, will change into a better person. But not to our lazy. She refused to change. Honestly, I got tired. Though. That girl is my only child. Since I lost her senior brother in a motor accident years ago.
I don't even see Ijoma around. Where is she?
Ijoma Ijoma. She woke up this morning, took her bath and left. She can stay with me for 1 whole month, 1 week, anytime without talking to me. I be known like a Edo. You see who can go and friends? We are here like co-wives. Eh? She left. I don't know her whereabouts. I don't know.
Anyway, I was told that she came to the palace and for some reason insulted my father.
Eh?
I was not at home at the time, and that is why I decided to come here, see her so that we can discuss. I need to know what the problem with Ijoma is.
Hey! Anyways, I am not surprised to hear this because she has been like this since she gave birth to this girl. She fights with everybody in this village that stands on her way when she beats this girl. That is it. And at a point, when they see her beating this girl, they will just overlook her. Mama, thank God for you that came along the line. You have shown her another power. When power jam power, the lesser one will bow. My prince say God. My prince say God digide. At least this neighborhood will experience peace. Ha!
It's all right, Mama. This is indeed a lot to take. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for all of this. It's fine. Things will be all right. Let Ijoma know that I was here and that I'll return so that she and I can talk. We need to discuss. William, things will be fine. Yeah. All right.
So go with him. Stay where we are okay.
Mama, I want you to take this. Take it. It's for your upkeep.
My prince! My prince! Move you go. Bye bye no, bye bye no, bye bye no, bye bye. Udoka, Mama, the prince came here today with Amarachi. You should have seen how nice Amarachi was looking. Hey, oh.
Mama, where was Ijoma when the prince came?
She went out, even till now she's not back. Though I explained a bit of her character to the prince, the way she has been maltreating her child since she gave birth to her.
Okay.
Name another thing. Ijoma went to the palace to cause trouble.
To do what?
Cause trouble.
Is she mad? I thought she said she wanted Amarachi to die. So why did she go to the palace?
Lanya, the prince is a good man. He's a very good man. He humbly told me to tell Ijoma that he came. And he will come again. As he was leaving, this man gave me a bundle of money. The gift of money. If you see money, you know what I ask myself? Is it not this same Amarachi that her mother labeled bad luck that brought this gift? Good luck, the money, the type of money I have never seen in my life. Is it not this same Amarachi that brought this money to me?
Mama, what's going on? The truth is, nobody knows where good things will come from. Just look at it. Mama, it's okay. The good thing is, Amarachi is in the palace. And Ijoma cannot beat her again.
Hi. Let me go and bring the money and show you.
The big money?
Yes, and I'll go for you for now. So that if you see him, you greet him too. I know that one day you will surely see him. You need to greet him. Good luck, Amarachi Wetedo.
Hey.
Let me bring that show you.
Mama, bring it though. Hey.
I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you the other day. It's not in my manner to talk to people like that.
So you can actually be this calm. You can actually be this calm and relate like a normal human being. Did you think that I've come here to arrest you?
Nobody understands me. Nobody listens to me. I'm sorry.
No one understands you. Is that enough to treat a child that God gave to you as a gift that way? That was an act of wickedness.
That is what life did to me. But no one seems to understand that part of me. I'm not that kind of person.